Easyfix appliances.
The dishwasher is pouring water from the bottom part. You can clearly see that water is flowing out. You have to remove the kick panel in order to see underneath the machine and observe the water. When you open the door, you can see the model number on the frame. From inside, you can observe that the water level is decreasing. If you start a new cycle, interrupting the current one, the machine will immediately start draining water. You can see it will wash a little bit, but actually, it's not leaking at the beginning of the cycle. It is going smoothly for a while. You can see it has been leaking for a long time. It is leaking while draining the water, which means the drain pipe is cracked at the back. You can see it sprinkling water onto the wall. Therefore, you have to order a brand new discharge or drain hose and fit it into the machine to sort out this problem.
Please like and subscribe.